larger than life personality is not enough to hide your flaws. I can smell your inhibitions through the cracks beneath my floorboards, and deluded justification is abuse upon my ears. Hypocrisy comes naturally, like cutting up your toast, and you wrongly choose to falsely accuse those you love the most, as your actions speak out louder than 1,000 of your promises. And I know I'll find no guarantee, no nurturing in nature or intention. My body takes so much, my heart has outgrown you all. Even in my dreams, your names are cruelly mentioned. You haven't met desire until you've encountered me. I'm the pain you feel at night, and I'm the sugar in your tea. What is yours I count as mine, 'cause I'll take your world from under you. Your words may be vicious and your gestures be unkind, but you know I know you'll never reach that desired peace of mind. You can bark and scream and whistle, but all I hear are echoes of regrets. Cause I know I'll find no guarantee, no nurturing in nature or intention. My body takes so much, my heart has outgrown you all. Even in my dreams, your names are cruelly mentioned. And half the things you mumble through, I don't know what you mean. And you love to play the victim, always trying to cause a scene. Have you noticed yet that no one cares, and no one ever will? This life is tailor-made for you, and I hope it brings you pain. And if you lived it over twice, I'd wish it all on you again. When you see my name in lights, please don't claim that I was yours. You say you're scared of what I'll do, and trust me, you should be. My throwaway dreams are bigger than anything you ever could be. Stop embarrassing yourself now, just admit you got it wrong. Cause I know I'll find no guarantee, no nurturing in nature or intention. My body takes so much, my heart has outgrown you all. Even in my dreams, your names are cruelly mentioned. I know I'll find no guarantee, no nurturing in nature or intention. My body takes so much, my heart has outgrown you all. Even in my dreams, your names are cruelly mentioned.